So this is a tutorial for your seat to Ayesha. So you should already have some sort of push or press from the floor. So I've done another tutorial on a split heel from the floor into a D, into an Ayesha. So check them out before you try this and it'll make it a lot easier, a bit more straightforward. So if I just go up one climb into a seat, I'm just going to show you that first transition. Okay, so we've got there, legs on, and then my chest is close towards the pole, my hands in front of the chest. I want to reach my right hand down, swing my right leg round the back of the pole. So I'm just going to lean forward to there. If you get to that point, you lower the bottom hand, lower the top hand, hook the heel over, and then from there you push your bum up into the air, to there, to there. Okay, so play with that combination, enjoy it, do it definitely both sides, and you'll get like super strong from it.